Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you guys some of the DIYs that you can do and decorate your home for this Diwali. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So for the first DIY I have taken here these bangle bases which I already had. If you guys don't have it, you can use a normal bangle. So I'm going to just stick this bangle to a cloth, just cutting off the extras. So this DIY is really very easy and the outcome looks so lovely. Now let's see the second DIY. These are the things that I am going to use for this DIY. So I'm just adding the foam flowers. You can see this is how it has been completed. Looks so lovely, right? So just to add some more details, I'm adding here big pearls like this. So this one is actually a tip more than a DIY. So if we all have these flower garlands, instead of hanging them as such, we can get some bells like this and hang them at the end. It will look so beautiful. And if you have any big pillars at your home, you can create flower garland curtain as I have created here. So this is my favorite tip because like hanging all the flower garlands or torans using these as hook is my favorite tip. And if you guys don't have these kinds of as hooks, then you can use paper clips as well. So you can see how I have expanded the paper clip and I have hung them on the frame. So for the next DIY, I have taken here this box and a spray paint and the doorknobs which I got from Amazon. I'm going to spray paint this box completely. So this is how I have spray painted it, and after drying this is how it looks. Now I'm putting a hole on all the four sides using a screwdriver. And I'm taking this ethnic cloth which I'm going to stick at the center. Now I'm just going to add these doorknobs on all the four corners like this. Isn't that looking so beautiful? Now to add some more traditional look, I'm adding this border and I'm going to decorate it with the kundan stone and some mirrors and pearls. So here is a simple tip to make the candles look more beautiful. You can just use washi tape as I have done. So for the next DIY, I have taken this net. This is actually very hard net which we get in hardware shop. So I have stuck the embroidery hoop to the net like this, and I am going to decorate the embroidery hoop with the pearls. Now let's stick the flowers. So this is how it looks. Now I'm just going to add some gold beads in between, and then I'm adding these stones here in the form of a circle. To make it more attractive, I have added these pink stones. Let me show you guys different ways of using this DIY. So I have just attached it to the end of a flower garland, and you can see how beautiful it looks. You can use it as a diya holder, or you can use it at the center of a flower rangoli. So now let's move on to the next DIY, for which I have taken these wooden towels which I got from Amazon. I'll give all the links of the products in the description box below. I'm just taking these ice cream sticks which I'm going to attach like this. I'm just going to make 4 frames like this. In which I am just going to attach 3 of them to this net. So this is how the frames are looking right now. So I have kept one blank. I'll tell you guys why. So I'm just going to fix these frames like this in this manner. After drying, this is how it looks, and I'm going to spray paint it with gold spray paint. And for the base and top, I'm using here cardstock. These are easily available in any craft shops. If you don't find them, you can use cardboard as well. So I'm just cutting some 4 small pieces of cardstock, and I'm going to stick 2 of them together. And then I am going to fix them as I have shown here. I'm taking a metal wire, putting knots at the end, and now I am going to use a yarn to cover the metal wire. I have this piece of cardstock with me, to which I am attaching this metal wire in this manner. Now that the top and bottom are ready, I am just going to fix them like this. This DIY was one of my favorite because I love the way it has turned out. Do let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section. So for the next DIY, I have taken these peacocks which I did for Janmashtami. So I just drew the peacocks on a drawing paper and colored using oil pastels and stuck them on a foam board. I'm just giving some touch up here because I felt the colors have lightened out. I'm just darkening the colors. Now I'm taking these clay pots. I have spray painted them and I'm just going to decorate them as shown. You can decorate it according to your taste or according to the materials that you guys have. I am going to fix this clay pot to the peacock like this, and that's it, our DIY is ready. For the next DIY, I have taken here this cardstock. Cardstocks are available in different thickness, so we have to get them according to our needs. For this DIY, I have taken this cardstock which I am going to cover in this traditional cloth. And then I am covering the sides like this, adding some kundan work. To make it more attractive, I have added some flowers, pearls and mirrors. So on the ends I am adding these bangles to which I have attached the pearls like this. And then I am going to attach this bell to the center like this. Now I am just installing the toran. So for the next DIY, I have taken here a balloon and thread. I am just going to insert the thread into this Fevicol and water mixture. Now I am going to cover the balloon like this. Cover the entire balloon and allow it to dry overnight. So this is how it looks. We need to have some opening because we need to add some lights, and I'm planning to add a plant in it. So I'm just going to make some hole, and then I made these plastic flowers long back. I had them, so I'm just sticking them over here. I'll give the link to that video in the description box below. Now let's move on to the next DIY. I'm going to make a traditional frame. I'm going to wrap this cardstock in this red cloth. If you don't want to wrap the one at the back, then you can use a cardstock and wrap this cloth to it as I have done here. It's just like covering a book. I'm planning to stick this goddess statue in this way. To make it more attractive, I'm adding some elements here. I'm adding this border to which I'm adding these pearls. That's it, guys. Our beautiful DIY is ready. Do let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section. For the next DIY, I have taken here corrugated sheets and this punching machine. If you guys don't have such punching machine, you can get small punching machines which are available in craft shop, and you can make a beautiful design out of it. Just look how cute these are. next DIY, we need some corrugated sheet and a glass bowl. Our beautiful urli is ready. And here comes our final DIY. So I'm just taking some quilling papers here and I'm going to make some simple design using it. After the flower is ready, I am taking this foam sheet and a cardstock. I am going to stick the cardstock and foam sheet together because we need a sturdy base. Now I am going to stick the flower which we did using the quilling papers here. And I'm adding some gold beads for the border, and this is how it looks. And I have made some more designs. Let me show you guys how we can use it as a rangoli mat. I have shown a lot of DIYs in this video. I hope you guys would have enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give a thumbs up and also please do share it with your friends and family. I'll see you all in the next video, friends. Bye.